In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add bucket in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct work or school account. Once Planner loads, go to the My Day area. My Day is a helpful starting point because it pulls together tasks that matter for the current day, and it also gives you quick access to your planner navigation. From My Day, look to the left side menu and click on My Plans. This takes you to a page where your plans are organized, usually showing recent plans and any plans you have access to. If you work on multiple projects, this is the best place to switch into the exact plan where you want to create a new bucket. Next, find and click the plan named New Plan. When you open a plan, you will typically land on the board view, which is the layout that shows columns across the screen. In Microsoft Planner, each of those columns is called a bucket. Buckets are used to group tasks in a way that makes sense for your workflow, such as by phase, priority, topic, or status. Keeping buckets clear and consistent can make a plan much easier to scan and manage. Now, on the board, click on Add a New Bucket. This option appears at the end of the existing buckets, usually as a simple label that invites you to create another column. After you click it, a text field will appear so you can name the bucket. Type in Highlight as the name of your new bucket. Choose bucket names that are short and specific so they are easy to read. Once you enter the name, your new bucket will appear on the board as its own column, ready to hold tasks. Finally, click on Add Task within that bucket. This starts the process of creating a task directly inside your new highlight bucket, so your work is organized from the start. You can continue adding more tasks to the same bucket as needed, and you can also create additional buckets later to match how your project is structured. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.